Hey guys, packing some orders today of frontals from our BOGO sale. So these are our frontals here. Perfect for if you want to do a ponytail and you want a nice strong hairline. Perfect for a lot of different styles. And then here are our clip-on bangs. Clip in, clip on, I don't know what you want to call them, but clip them and they make bangs. Some wigs that are in the way. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, so I'm about to pack some orders. Pack some orders up. This first order here is for 15 frontals. So she ordered these, but this is our standard frontal, which is 14 inches and natural color. She wanted to order 16 inches and jet black. So that's what we ordered for her here, 16 inches and jet black. We can custom order a lot of things for you ladies. So not only do we do custom color in store, we also can, how do I pin the product? I don't know how to pin it. Story of my life. I don't know, but yeah. So I'm going to pack her order up for her and ship it off. So, like I said, she ordered 15 of these. It's a 13 by 6 lace frontal, 16 inches, color number 1, body wave. So I don't know if you guys can tell that this is jet black here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and of course you're getting caught on my nail gems. Okay, so on this one is 7. And I'm gonna do 7 and 8. So I'll do 8 in this first one. Make sure you guys share the live for me. Thank you for following. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for the follow. Give me some likes, please. And so we work with a lot of stylists, and this very wonderful client of ours, she's a stylist. She makes wigs, and she orders our frontals, so she ordered 15 of them, and I'm sending them out to her. Thank you for the likes. So here is the first 8. And I'm gonna try to fit them all in one bag. I probably should just use a box, huh? Yeah, let me just grab a box instead. Tape places and then you go to look for it and the tape is never where you put it. That's how I feel. Tape, where are you? Where are you, tape? And it's like, whenever you're not looking for the tape, that's when you find it. Am I the only one that has that problem? I'm looking for the tape. Tape, where are you? Where are you, tape? I can't find the tape. But I'm gonna package this anyways and just tape it later. because I know the tape is around here. Okay, so this was our first 8 frontals over here. And I'm going to put that in here. And I'll tape this later. Her address is there. And now I will package the remainder. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we did 8 before, now we did 7. That should be 15. And again, these are 16 inches in jet black. This lady's yelling outside about how she just found somebody's credit card, and then she looks at me and is like, oh no, it can't be hers. Why can't it be mine? It would make more sense that it's mine than the 2 ladies that are just walking by. Rude. Welcome to Culver City. Wouldn't it make more sense to ask the businesses right in front of where you found the credit card? Instead of some random person walking by and you tell them the name that you're looking for? Okay, so once I find the tape, she will be on her way. We got our shipping label here, and that is it for today. Bye guys, thanks for watching.